So YouTube play button is displaying here, and then I'll go with one more website, that is mail. Here what else you are you're seeing? Again this mail image is visible, right? So you are observing these icons for the different website, right? So here for the WhatsApp a green logo is there, and for the Google Meet one more that Google Meet's logo is there, and for the YouTube play button is there, and for the mail same, its icon is going to be displayed. So this is what the fav icon is, right? This is what the fav icon is, guys. This is what the fav icon is. Clear? What is fav icon? So fav icon is nothing but the icon which is displaying so just behind of our web page name. Okay, so the image which is displaying just behind just beside of your website name. So that's what the fav icon is. Today we'll see this, how to insert this fav icon into the website. Okay, so for that I'll download one image from the browser. So I'll go with our website itself. See, you might be observing here, so same logo is displaying here. I'll just try to download this particular image into the same website. So it is of .png extension. Okay, so I'll go with fav name. So it is of .png extension. I'll save it, and now we'll start the working of. So now we'll start the working of this fav icon by using the Sublime Text Editor. So just to create one more new tab for this, so new node file for this, and I'm saving this file with day5 .html. As you people know, these HTML documents are going to be saved with the .htm or .html extension. So I just saved it. Now we'll try to implement the HTML. So see here, I'm going with the title as SEL EduTech. So here you have to include that fav icon, right? So first we will see the output of this particular page. So it is day 5, right? So day 5. So what you are observing, there is nothing is going to be displayed here. So if you are not mentioning any fav icon over there, so it's going to be, see here, only document is going to be displayed. I'll insert some content here. Same, I'll go with the H1, and here I'm mentioning SEL EduTech Solutions. Then we go with a paragraph. Welcome to web development master classes, and I'll insert the CSS file which we already created in the previous class. I'll just inherit those things into the current website. Okay, so this can be done by using the link, right? So this can be done by using the link. So we'll try to include that particular CSS file into the current HTML document by using the link. So followed by, you have to specify this path of that particular document. So So our document name is CSS followed by the hyphen intro dot CSS. Okay, so this is what we mentioned or we created in the previous class, right? So I'm just saving it and we'll try to refresh the output page. Yeah, see here, this is going to be displayed like this. So what we are discussing now, so we have to insert an image here. So that image is nothing but the favicon icon. So this can be done by the same thing. Okay, same thing, you have to give the link. So within the link, wait a minute, somebody is trying to join the class. Fine. So within this you have to specify the link. So here you are not giving the style sheet, you are giving the icon, right? So you are specifying the icon and the type is image, right? So image, and you have to specify the path of that particular image. I saved that image with what? Where it is saved? So see here, this is what the fav icon is. So FAV, it is of .png extension, right? So it's of .png extension, fav.png. I'll save it and now we'll see the output of the document. Yeah, somebody is trying to communicate me. So who's that? No one. So if you have any doubts, please try to ask here itself, guys. Now we'll try to refresh this particular page. Please look here, whether there is any change in that image. I'm just refreshing it. Have a look. Wow. See here, the image is displayed, right? So this is how you are going to insert an image or insert a fav icon into the top of that what? So HTML name or HTML document name, right? Clear with this? So clear with how to insert an fav icon into the HTML document? So clear. I want response from everybody. So I hope, I think 19 members are there in the class. I'm only getting 3 responses out of 19. 3 responses out of 19. I want response from everybody. Clear. What about others? Whether you are getting anything or not? Is that understandable or not? Fine. So you are clear with the fav icon and the title, right? So title is nothing but, so there itself within the title tag we mentioned the name, no? So the tag, that name is going to display here, right? So you people are clear with this, what fav icon and the title of the HTML document, and some of the things which we discussed, like background color, and some more things we discussed in the last class, which will be very useful and which will be useful to create your HTML web document in a clear manner. Okay, so this is how you are going to insert the background image and the fav icon as well as the title into the HTML document. Then we'll go with the next topic, that is HTML list. So lists are broadly categorized into 3, that is ordered list, unordered list and the definition list. Ordered list, unordered list and the definition list. Wait a minute, I'll show you here the different classifications of the HTML document. So this is what we have seen just now. Till now we seen. So favicon and the title. So within the title tag, we are going to give the name of your website, and here is how you are going to insert and favicon into the HTML document. So followed by now we are discussing about this HTML list. So lists are broadly categorized into three. So those are the ordered list, unordered list, and one more thing, that is definition list. So these are the three classes of the HTML list. So ordered list can be implemented by using this OL followed by the LI. Okay, so OL is nothing but the ordered list, so LI is nothing but the list item. Okay, so list item, then followed by the unordered list, same, it's going to be implemented by UL followed by LI. So LI is nothing but the list item. Then followed by the definition list. Definition list is nothing but, so sometimes we have the definitions, right? So what is HTML? HTML is a heading. So see here, so here within DT you have to specify what you are going to define. Okay, so what you are going to define is going to be displayed here, and so the thing which you are going to give, that is definition, is going to be enclosed within this DT. Okay, right? So you people are clear with this three lists. Now we will see the practical implementation of these lists. So clear with the list which is observed. So ordered list, unordered list, and the definition list. So now we'll see the practical implementation of the list. So here itself, yeah, now we are discussing the ordered list, right? So we'll go with the ordered list. Ordered list can be implemented by opening the OL tag, so followed by, if you wanted to insert the items into the list, so this can be done by LI. So you have to specify the things which you are going to be displayed in ordered manner. Ordered manner is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like numbers will come. So unordered list, in the sense, nothing will be displayed irrespective of the numbers. I think some symbols might be implemented over there. So I'll go here, I'll mention the courses which we are providing: C programming, master classes, along with we have more data structures and the algorithms. Data structures and algorithms, followed by the next thing, Python programming, followed by the IoT, that is nothing but the Internet of Things. Okay, Internet of Things. Internet of Things, followed by one more thing. We are providing the different courses. I'll just specify the skill development courses. Okay, right? So this is how you are going to specify the ordered list. So we'll see the output now, how the output will be displayed. Okay, I'm just refreshing it. So it's better to remove the background image, right? So it's better to remove the background image. I'll just remove those. Okay, so I'll just remove this line, or else I'll just specify this particular line in the comment section. Okay, so see here, so for the comments also, opening and the closing tags are must and should, otherwise it will affect the entire HTML document. See, I opened the comment tag, but the everything is going not at all going to be displayed in the website. Now I'll try to save it, and I'll show you the output. See here, nothing is displayed here, nothing is displayed. So that's why. So what you have to do is, so you have to close that comment tags. Okay, so this is how you are going to close this. Okay, see here guys, now it will be displayed. So what you are observing, so welcome to web development masterclass, which we already implemented. So now what we mentioned in the ordered list, so as we specified the OL there, so this will be displayed as 1 2 3 4 and 5. So if I remove this ordered list, and I'll try to now itself I'll show you. So if I replace this OL with the unordered list, that is UL can be implemented by the UL, so that is unordered list can be implemented by the UL. We'll see the output now, how it's going to be. Boom, see here, it's gonna be changed to, so irrespective of the numbers, this symbol, that is dot, is going to be displayed here, dot. So dot is going to be displayed. So that's what the difference between the ordered and the unordered list. Ordered list, it will defaultly it will give the numbers. Unordered list, it will give the what, so the dot or anything which you want that are going to be displayed over there. Okay, so and also one thing here we need to specify is, so you can specify the type as well. Okay, so you can specify the type as well. So if you are inserting an image, so you just give the image here, or else if you are inserting anything, you can give. Okay, I'll show you with one image. Okay, I'll just try to copy one emoji from here. So we'll see whether this particular image is going to be displayed over there or not. Okay. No, it's not at all displayed there. So it has some logic. Wait a minute, I'll show you. One thing, so this is, one thing we need to see here is, so irrespective of giving here, you just remove this, and so as we imported the CSS over there, so here what I am trying to convey is, so for the wherever li is there, at there I need an emoji with the hearts, right? So I need emoji with the heart. For that you have to give li, so followed by, so these dots indicates, I'll explain you these things while coming to into the classes and the objects. Okay, don't worry, I'll explain you these things while we are discussing about the classes and the objects. You just try to understand how to insert an emoji while we are listing out. Okay, so you just give before followed by the content is content followed by whatever the thing that you wanted to specify there. So I'll go with this emoji. Yeah, I'm just saving it. I'll just try to remove this particular image which it is affecting the HTML document, that's why. We'll see the output now. I have to save this document, and then this one also I have to remove these comments, that's why it's not affecting there. So just to save it. Now we'll try to refresh it. Okay, it's not at all displayed here. Okay, I'll just remove this. We'll see. No, it's not at all displaying. Not at all displaying. Okay, I'll show you in the next class. Okay, in detail I'll show you in the next class how to insert image here. Okay, so it's just showing error, right? It's not displaying, that's why. Okay, okay, I'll try to insert two more things here. Two more things here. I'll go with this and before. Followed by the content. Okay, content I specified. Then I'll insert for we are implementing for the unordered list, right? So for that UL. So here I am adding the list style. Type is none. Followed by I'm giving the padding and the margin. So padding, I'll go with this 0 pixels, and then I'm inserting the margin for this. So margin also with 0. We'll try to save it, and we'll see whether those things will be displayed over there or not. No, it's not at all displayed. Again, go to these and wait for a moment. I'll clear. Okay, okay guys, we'll see that in next class, no worries. I'll try to clarify those things in the next class. So where we are, so we are implementing the ordered and unordered list. Till now we have seen the ordered and unordered list, right? So now we'll see the definition list. Definition list. Here itself. Yeah, this definition list can be implemented by the dd tag and dl tag and dd tag. So here four things. So for specifying the definition list, so this is how we are going to specify the definition list. And if you wanted to add that particular side heading, so for that you are giving the dt tag. So within the dt you have to specify html. So for this I'm writing the definition. So for that definition, followed by you have to give the definition here. Okay, so this first html stands for hypertext markup language, which is used to develop the websites or web applications. We'll see the output now, how this definition list is going to be. So see here guys, so there are not specified any I'm not specified this space. Okay, I'm not specified this space, but it's going to be displayed like this. Okay, so this is how you are going to implement the definition list. Okay, clear? Please confirm in the comment section guys. Clear? Yes, Umar is telling that we forgot to use the emoji code. We can give the emoji directly itself without the emoji code. We can give the emoji directly. Okay, I'll go with the Umar emoji codes. In HTML, I don't want to see this website. We have many music codes here, monkey face, and many more here. Fine, I'll go with these biceps. Okay, HTML decimal value is there and the Unicode hexa value is there. I will see that it will be fit there. No, it's not at all displayed. So I'll copy this bicep itself. So whatever the thing which we are specifying here, it's gonna be displayed there. No, it's not already displaying. Yeah, see here guys, now it's displaying, but when I try to copy that emoji from the WhatsApp, it's not at all displaying. See, I'll try to copy one more emoji from here. with this. I just copied it, same. I'll just replace with this bicep. See whether it's going to be displayed or not. Yeah, it's displaying now. Same thing, we are not changed the code here anymore. Okay, we are not at all changed my code, but one thing is some emojis are not going to be printed. I'll copy same emoji once again. I'll copy same emoji. So this is what the emoji, right? We'll see. So if it is going to be changed here, then it's going to be yeah. Now it will be displayed. Now it will be displayed because we'll see the output. See, now it's displaying. So nothing. I'm not changed anything here. See, you might be observing that I'm not at all changed anything, but it's displaying. For some emojis, at some cases, those emojis are not at all going to be displayed. Okay, I'll show you how to add different emojis through different letters in the next class. Okay, no worries. Clear with this, how to insert an emoji into the HTML document, and what is the ordered list and what are the unordered lists. Clear? Is that clear, guys? I'm expecting response from you. Is that clear? If you're clear, then we'll go with the tables, which are very interesting and which are very useful to create, are useful to add the content into the HTML document. That is, we have to insert. So in some websites we are seeing some tables now in the website, right? Yeah, and also one thing I wanted to show you. So see here, you can copy and paste code from any website. Okay, you can download the source code or you can copy the code from anywhere else. Okay, I'll go with the Kupam Engineering College itself. So this is what our official website, that is Kupam Engineering College's official website is. If I want to copy this code, if I wanted to copy the entire code, users to click on the right click on your mouse, and if you try to inspect, so see here at last inspect element is you can see the inspect. Okay, inspect. So everything will be, your code is going to be displayed here, or else you just click control followed by U. Control, see what I am pressing, control followed by U. See, entire code of the Kupam Engineering College is came. If you wanted to add some elements into your website, if you want anything to be included to your website from this website, you just simply copy the code and paste over there. That's going to work. Clear? So this is how you are going to copy a code from the other websites. Okay, so if you wanted to see the code of that particular website, you just click Control plus U. In some browsers, if you click this, so see here, view page source. See here, view page source is observing. So view page source, for that Control plus U is the shortcut. So you can click Control followed by the U, or you just click right click, and here you might be observing the view page source. Okay, when I click this, our meeting's entire code is going to be displayed here. See, for running our one Google Meet code, this much of code you need to code. Okay, so if you wanted to develop any applications, it will take time, and it will take it's a time consuming process, If you concentrate on it, definitely you will get succeeded. Okay, right? Clear? How to get the code of yesterday? You forgot to say about the submit button. Yeah, fine. Once we enter into the forms, we have forms also, like registration form. You people are registered to these classes by using the Google form, right? So like that we are creating one HTML document. So at that case I'll show you how to insert the submit button, how to insert the clear button, how to insert the reset button, and also many button types are available. Along with that we have different properties like what a radio button is there, check boxes is there, text field, how to insert those text field into the HTML document, and how to store those content into the database. Everything I'll explain. Please be patient, I'll explain everything. Okay, fine. Yeah, now we are skipping into the HTML tables. So you just tell me what's the use of these HTML tables. Not only the HTML tables, what's the use of the tables? So tables are used to clear. You might be observing the difference that sometimes in examinations they are asking that describe the differences between. I am not at all remembering those concepts. I'll go with our HTML documents itself. In HTML we discussed the tags and attributes now. So if you wanted to specify the differences between the tags and the attributes by using the by writing like HTML tags. So HTML tags are nothing but blah 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 blah, and followed by the HTML attributes followed by. So instead of representing or presenting like this, so you can present by using the tables. Okay, you can present by using the tables. So the presentation which we are going to specify or give with these HTML tables, it's gonna be attractive, it's gonna be mesmerizing, it's gonna be amazing, guys. Okay, I'll show you one thing in our official website. See, day-wise note. Still now, I forgot to update your day-wise notes in the website. So see, you might be observing here. Day-wise notes is inserted in the what? Table itself, guys. Table itself. See, this is how attractive it is. So whatever the thing which you are going to specify by using the table, that's gonna be mesmerizing, guys. Okay, so in the certificate block also, yeah, I'll go with one registration number. Still now your registration numbers are not yet confirmed. I'll go with one thing. So when I click this, when I search for this, so from our official website, so he is Mr. G.R. Yugandhar Reddy. He's a student, and so I don't know the exact name of this college, how to pronounce this, and the workshop organizer is, at that time our company's name is of Start E-Learning, that's why we mentioned at that time as a Start E-Learning. And then he completed the workshop, that is full stack developer intern. So he completed his internship with us. So workshop date is, so see here, 1/5/2023 it started. So here duration of the entire course will be displayed. Okay, and then download your certificate. So here itself you can download your certificates. So while clicking this, boom, your certificate will be shown here. See, this is how your certificate is going to be. So our institution is recognized by the Indian government and also the IMAX education along with the MSME. So our company is registered under the MSME. Along with the, we have a support from the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Cell, which is contributing some money and helping financially to our institute. And then, so this is what the QR code is. when you scan this particular QR code, so it will be, the browser will redirect it to our official website, and their entire data from which date to, see here, 1/5/2023 to 31/7/2023, which is a 2 months of complete internship he done in our institution itself. So he got certified from our institute. So when you scan this code, your certificate or your entire data is going to be displayed there. Okay, so this is what the thing is, guys. I think we are changing the concept. So see here, when I download the entire data, so it is going to be displayed. See here, it is going to be displayed in the table format itself, which it seems very attractive, right? So it seems very interesting and very attractive. So the people can see easily, and they can clear-cutly understand the entire data. So see here, in yesterday's class, I implemented one thing. That is, when I click that particular link, so it will open into the browser. So student information is generated by the AI tool. So our complete student data, we will just upload our data into our website. The certificates, everything is going to be handled by the AI tool, which we adapted. So that AI tool will generate your data and modify your data and generate your certificates as well. So this entire thing is generated by the AI tool itself. If you want any modification or changes, you just send a mail here. I inserted a link here. So when I click this particular thing, same thing, it's going to be open in your mail. So see here, it will be sent to Start E-Learning by Nagi. And one more email ID I mentioned, that is nagireddykiran4@gmail.com. It is one more email ID. So for you can add. So I'll try to show you the page source. How I inserted that thing into my website. So see here, guys, student information is generated by the AI tool. If any changes or modifications, click on that. So I specified, see here, I specified within the reference, I specified mail to Start E-Learning by Nagi@gmail.com and nagireddykiran4@gmail.com. So when so this is what the text I specified there. When they click this particular text, so it will redirect it to mail. Okay, so entire thing. So this complete website, see, I'll show you this complete website along with the certificate verification portal, along with the exam portal. See here, you can write your exam from our website itself. Now it's not displaying. Whenever you have exams, it's going to be displayed. Okay, see, along with the exam portal, now it's showing along with the exam portal. And also we have different blogs here about courses and day-wise notes, everything, day-wise notes. And also your at last you are going to submit your projects. No, so here, from here only you are going to submit your project. Okay, here itself you have to submit your project along with the problem statement, project description. You have to submit your project by using your GitHub repository. You have to dump your entire project into the GitHub, and you have to submit your project to us. And so this is what the project submission portal is. And then we have results portal also. So your results are also going to be displayed from here itself. Till now any no results. That's why. And also voting, and also contact, everything, guys, everything. I'm not at all consulted any software company to develop this application for my company. So I'm not at all consulted any company. I myself developed my entire website. See how good it seems. Everything is generated by me itself. I only implemented everything. So see that much courage you have. That much courage you should have by the end of these web development master classes. Okay, fine. Fine, guys. So it might be boring for you, but I wanted to showcase our website. So I want to let you know how attractive when you use these tables. Okay, fine, fine. See, the website which is using for our institution is completely developed by me and my team. Okay, so everything. Still, if I wanted to modify anything, I'm not at all going to consult any software company to change to change or modify these things. I myself can change data, or I myself can enter, or myself create an exam. Everything is going to be handled by me itself. So that's what the courage you should have. You also need to develop an application like our portal, and also you should create an applications like Zomato, and also we have many things, Swiggy, Uber. So for Uber you need the what, Google Maps APIs. Okay, I'll tell you how you can get those APIs for free. But so if you wanted to buy those APIs, so it might cost around $500. $500. So you can develop the front end. It's very easy. So you can develop the back end as well. It's completely easy when compared to front end. Back end is very easy. So see, why I'm telling back end is very easy in the sense, you're not at all going to write a code. I'll be showing without the code how you can create your schema diagrams and the databases. So without code I'll show you how to create the databases and all. That's why. So backend is completely very easy. But so if you wanted to integrate those backend and the front end, so middleware, right? So here APIs plays an important role. So API is nothing but the application programming interface. So these APIs cost more, but I'll show you how to implement with the cheaper cost. Okay, fine guys, fine. Oh, it's 54, 654 it seems. Okay, we'll see the overview of tables and we'll implement those tables in the next class. Okay, now we'll just see how the tables are. So tables in HTML tables allows the web developers to arrange the data into the rows and the columns. While table comes into the mind, so you should remember that yes, tables have the rows and the columns. So as you implemented in your linear algebra and the calculus, you people implemented the matrices, right? So in that in the same manner, so as the matrix have the rows and the columns, here also these tables have the rows and the columns. Okay, so then a table in HTML consists of table cells inside the rows and the columns. So every row, each and every row and each and every column divides one unit. That unit is gonna be, that unit is named as the cell. Okay, then so this is how you are going to create a table. Okay, so for creation of the table we are going to use the table tag, and for inserting a data into the table row you are going to give this tr tag. Okay, so if you wanted to add the content into the table, so for that, as here I mentioned it as heading, so that's why I used th tag. Okay, that's why I used th tag. You will understand the difference between th and td in the next class. Yeah, so in this slide you might observe the difference. So here product name followed by the number followed by the country, everything are the headings. Okay, headings, it will come in the top. Okay, so followed by so the data, right? Alex, his registration number is 589, followed by the country. Okay, so this is what and also we can add more functionalities to the table. So we can give this collapsed table borders. By defaultly it will generate these types of tables itself, And if you wanted to add the borders for the cells, so this is how you are going to add the borders. We'll implement in the next class. You just see the overview of the tables and what are the things that we are going to implement in the next class. Okay, so and also you can use or you can give the background of the cells as well. Okay, you can specify the background color of the uh, what cells. And then we have different types of tables as well. Rounded table borders, how can we insert the tables like this? So you might be observing the images here. So this we will discuss in the next class. And then border styles, so we have different types of border styles, that is dashed in the sense hyphens, so it will be like hyphens. Okay, and then dotted is nothing but with the dots the tables are going to be framed. And also solid, so double is nothing but the strength of the thing is more. So everything guys, same. These are the different border styles available, and then we can insert the border color as well. Okay, so these are some of the properties. Definitely we will see in the next class. Now I'll post the attendance link. Wait for a while. See, one more thing I wanted to convey you guys. See, 80% of attendance is mandatory, and you are going to attend the exam as well. So these things and all plays an important role in such generation of your certificates. That's why please attend the classes regularly. That's what I'm insisting you daily. Please attend the classes regularly. Then only you are going to be certified. You are going to be certified. Okay. Fine. Yeah, I sent you attendance link. Wait a minute. Don't open the attendance link, guys. Don't open. And now you can open. Guys, you can open. So you can open. Now the form is accepting the responses. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please stay in the class and try to clarify your doubts. Otherwise, once you're done with your attendance, please leave the class. I have the Python class as well. That's why once you're done with your attendance, you just leave the class. హలో చెప్పరా ఎలా ఏందంట యాడా ఓ ఆడా ఓకే ఓకే సరే సరే నువ్వు లింక్ అన్న పెట్టినావా లేదు సరే నేను పెట్టానా నేను పెడతా నా క్లాస్ లింక్ సేమ్ క్లాస్ లింక్లో నిన్న క్లాస్ లింక్లోనే జాయిన్ అయిపో నిన్న వంశీగా ఉంది కదా యాక్సెస్ ఉండేది నీదే పెట్టు వానికి ఇప్పుడే పే కూడా చేయరు, వాడు ఎందుకు అట్లా చేస్తున్నాడు? వంశీగాడు ఆడిపోయినాడు, వాడు ఆ మాట నాకు చెప్పాలి కదా వాడు. ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుతుంటే నెట్ రాదయ్యా.
హలో ట్యూన్స్ పొందడానికి స్టార్ మరియు 9 నొక్కండి. ఇంకా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయండి లింక్ మ్యూజిక్ యాప్.
హలో
హలో అన్న,
చెప్పమ్మా.
లింక్ ఓపెన్ కాలేదన్న.
ఏ అందరూ ఫిల్ చేశారు. సరేలే,
ఓపెన్ కాలేదు.
ఉన్నిలే.
అది ఎలా ఉంది?
సరే సరే.